The legacy of civilizations. Since the dawn of time, humanity has left footprints that transcend centuries, monuments that speak louder than words, and mysteries that still defy science. This is the story of the civilizations that shaped our world. More than 50 years ago, in the fertile lands along the Nile River, one of the most fascinating cultures in history was born. Ancient Egypt. There, men and women created majestic temples, pyramids that seemed to touch the sky, and hieroglyphs that still whisper secrets. Pharaohs were not mere kings. They were considered gods on earth. Their power was reflected in colossal works such as the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. But Egypt was not alone. Thousands of kilometers away, between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the mysterious land of Mesopotamia flourished. There, cuneiform writing was born. The first codes of law were established, and the city-states laid the foundation for modern social organization. Babylon and its famous king Hammurabi created principles of justice that still resonate in our societies. Meanwhile, in the heart of Asia, another civilization rose along the Indus River. In cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, advanced drainage systems and urban planning emerged. And in China, emperors left an immense legacy. The Great Wall, gunpowder, the compass, inventions that would forever change the destiny of humanity. The Mediterranean became the stage for other immortal cultures. The Greeks gave us philosophy, democracy, and theater. Figures such as Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle laid the foundations of Western thought. Later, Rome, with its vast empire, extended roads, aqueducts, and laws that still influence our cities and governments today. But while these powers shone in the Old World, extraordinary civilizations were rising in the Americas. The Maya, with their step temples and advanced calendars, challenged the skies with their astronomical knowledge. The Aztecs, in the heart of Mexico, built Tenochtitlan, a floating city that amazed European conquerors. And further south, the Inca built roads across mountains and left wonders like Machu Picchu, the hidden city in the clouds. Each culture, each people, left indelible marks, stone monuments, carved symbols, codices, sculptures, but also knowledge, mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and philosophy. Although many of these empires fell, their heritage remains alive in our way of thinking, in our cities, and in our understanding of the world. Civilizations not only built temples and cities, they also forged stories. Stories of power and conquest, but also of faith, creativity, and resilience. Every stone placed, every symbol carved, and every idea shared was a step toward what we are today. The legacy of ancient civilizations reminds us of something essential. Human beings have always sought to transcend time. Perhaps one day, thousands of years from now, someone will look at our cities, our technological advances, and our creations, wondering who we were just as we now look at Egypt, Greece, or the Maya. Because, in the end, history is not only the past. History is a mirror that shows us where we come from, and at the same time, where we are going.